And this is my favorite one, size 125, Puta 660, so really big size. This is my biggest tapestry or needlepoint which I made for this. This take me almost 46 days, I think 45, but it's really hard to do this. I will put a little zoom so you can see better. Yeah, this is a sea all around, houses, lovely trees, summer flowers and everything what I love. Lovely colors. So yeah, and I buy more, I think 3 or 4 more new needle points, but for now I didn't finish. I work, but still it's not finished. In my future I will show that when I finish my needle points. Well, if you like, you can subscribe on my video and maybe can write some comment. If anybody want to learn how I do this, I can make that in my future videos, so some women can learn how this going when start working with this. Yeah, and with my pleasure I will show that.